Meet Aisha. She's cooking dinner for her parents tonight and she's very confident. Too confident. Her friend Zainab just arrived with a concern. Let's listen. Zainab. Aisha. How much salt are you adding? Aisha. Oh, just a big handful. More salt means more flavor. Right? Zainab. Wait. If you add too much salt, it will taste bitter. Aisha. Bitter? Salt makes things salty, not bitter. Zainab. That's the thing. If the salt concentration becomes too high, your taste buds react differently. It tastes bad. Single quote. This sentence has two parts. The if part. If you add too much salt, this is something that could happen. The will part. It will taste bitter. This is the result. We use this structure for real situations. Real possibilities. Not imaginary. Not impossible. Real cause and effect. Here's the pattern. If plus present simple equals will plus future. Let's see more cooking examples. If you don't stir the sauce, it will burn. If you use expired milk, it will taste sour. If you add lemon juice, the fish will taste fresher. Notice, each one is a real possibility in the kitchen, not imagination. These things actually could happen. That's why we use will, not would or might. Aisha. Okay, I get it. So if I reduce the salt. Zainab. If you reduce it, the soup will taste better. Aisha. But if I add no salt. Zainab. If you add no salt, it will taste bland and boring. Aisha. So there's a balance? Zainab. Exactly. If you add the right amount, it will be perfect. Aisha. Laughs. So it's not about more or nothing. It's about balance. Zainab. Now you understand conditional sentences and cooking. Single quote. Now you practice. Can you make conditional sentences about cooking? Think. If you. Action. It will. Result. Try these. If you boil eggs for too long, they will. If you don't wash your hands, you will. These are first conditionals. Real. Possible situations. Go try it. Write one sentence in the comments. And remember, just like cooking, grammar needs balance.